Hi friends, in this video we are going to draw a flow chart to calculate the sum of the digits of the given number. So for example, a number 693 is given. We have to calculate the digit 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 3 equal to 18. So in this way we have to draw a flow chart. So we'll directly go to the flow chart. Start, logical start of the flow chart. Start. I am obtaining an input, the number from the user. Input n. Input from the user. So next I am setting two variable r equal to 0, sum equal to 0. Next I have a decision statement. That means when, if n greater than 0. Okay. So if n greater than 0, if it is true means, that means yes, I am calculating the remainder r equal to n mod 10. So what it will do, my given value n equals 693, okay, n greater than 0 is true, then it will calculate r equal to 693 mod 10, it will return the remainder. Okay, so 693 mod 10 equal to 3, so r equal to the 3. Okay, next I am calculating sum equal to sum plus r. I am calculating sum equal to sum plus r. What is the existing value of sum? Which is 0, which is equal to sum equal to 0 plus 3. So next I am calculating, okay, n equal to n divided by, sorry, I am calculating n equal to, okay, n by 10. So this is an integer division. Okay, this is a integer division. Integer division means the fractional part will get omitted. So here sum equal to 3, n equal to 693, okay, divided by 10, integer division. So 69.3, in integer division the fractional part will get omitted, so which is 69. Okay, so now again I am attaching this back to the condition checking, diamond statement, condition checking. Okay, now n value is 69, again check 69, okay, initially 693 is greater than 0, then 69 greater than 0, yes, condition is true, then r equal to n mod 10, so r equal to 69 mod 10, which is equal to, it will return the remainder 9. Okay, sum equal to sum plus r, sum existing value is 3, okay, sum existing value is 3, sum equal to, okay, 3 plus 9, which is equal to 12. Then n equal to n mod 10, n equal to, sorry, n mod 10, n by 10, n equal to 69 by 10 equal to 6.9, it is integer division, fractional part omitted, n equal to 6. Again it will check 6 greater than 0, 6 greater than 0 is a true, then r equal to n mod 10, so the remainder r equal to n, 6, r equal to 6 modulo 10, 6 is lesser than 10, so it will return the same value, r equal to 6. Sum equal to sum plus r, sum equal to existing value of sum equal to 12. 12 plus 6 equal to 18. Okay, so what happened? Okay, now n equal to, okay, n by 10, n is become, okay, 6 by 10, which is equal to 0.6, so omitted 0. So okay, now it is not yes, it is no. N greater than 0 is no. So 0 greater than 0 is false. In this time what we are doing, so this is a no path. Okay, in the no, what I am doing, I am printing the result. I am printing the result. Okay, print sum. Okay, got printed. Now this is the end of my flowchart, which is stop. Okay, that's it. So this is the flowchart to calculate the sum of the digits of the given number. Okay, after my input, setting the remainder and sum equal to 0, I am checking n greater than 0, remainder equal to n mod 10, sum equal to sum plus r, n equal to n by 10. It will go until n greater than 0. After that, the value will get calculated. I will get a output, sum of the digits as an output. So my input is, for example, my input, sample input is 693. My output, so what is my output? Okay, my output is 18. Output equal to 18. That means 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 3 equal to 18. So 18 is my output. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the forthcoming videos and follow-ups. Thank you.